Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Yeah. Amaru. Yeah. How you looking calm, baby, in spite of the body stretching out your pinstripes. Got so much to tell you, come on inside. Hey. You was MIA from the invite. Tryna give me daps with my hands tied. All I wish for, if you could go my way. Yeah. Been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the world, girl. Won't you try me? I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, with me, baby. Yeah. Lava, yeah, me. Lava. Lava with me, baby. Yeah. Just me and you tonight. Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next up. All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best us. Oh yeah, yeah. Been around the block, but I'm back cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it pass us. Come over, yeah. Been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the world, girl. Won't you try me? I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, with me, baby. Yeah. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, yeah, me. Lava, with me, baby. Yeah.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Oh child, I still got on my baby. Y'all, today, not that some of y'all may not care, but today my baby was Eagle of the Month and I had to go to the school and say, hey, go baby, go baby. Journey Brown was Eagle of the Month and she was voted by her peers again because she's Miss Personality. So yeah, that's what I just took off. But anyway, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by AliPearl. Shout out to you, AliPearl, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their 4C Kinky Edges Curly Hair 13x4 lace front wig with realistic hairline. So I just want to go ahead and tell you guys that obviously it's 13x4 and it's 180% density and I have it in 22 inches and a medium cap size. So those are my details and specs, probably what you guys are seeing on the screen. So they have on here, it's a curly hair lace front wig with 4C hairline. It's 14 to 30 inches and as I stated, I have it in 22 inches and it is 180% density. It's available in an average cap size. It comes with the 4C baby hair around the perimeter, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. They have on here why choose 4C edges wig. They said 4C edges, most realistic hairline with curly baby hair, designed to melt with the lace perfectly. Beautiful kinky straight texture edges. that mimic a real hairline, and they have on here a 5x5 closure. I don't know why they have that. Maybe you can get it in a 5x5, but I have it in a 13x4. Beginner friendly, easy to install, wear, and go. Okay, so obviously you guys saw what the unit looked like straight out of the packaging, and I showed you guys what those curly edges look like. Now, to me, they were very, very dense, and the child didn't like I would do mine. I'm gonna be honest. I did these baby hairs or the hairline like I would do my own, and I swooped them over. Like, I didn't want to tweeze them because I was like, well, let's not tweeze them, because, you know, if I wanted to wear it not so sleek, I could wear it and make it look super, super natural. But I really wanted that sort of sleek look with this unit. Somebody did mention before that with the 4C edges that sometimes they can be too dense, they can be too thick, and I stated in the comment that, you know, when they are too thick or too dense, that either I would swoop them over or I would tweeze them. I didn't want to tweeze them because I wasn't mad at them, but that wasn't the look I was going for after, you know, I had wet the unit and applied mousse. I just didn't feel like it really went together as well. But if I wanted to wear it big and froey, then I would want to keep the 4C edges as they were. And you've seen me do both, okay? It just depends on how dense they are. So I want to throw that out there as well. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not really received either. I really just ran my fingers through this unit, applied the mousse, and that was it. It didn't take a whole lot of work with this wig. It may seem like it, but to me, it wasn't a lot of work. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this wig is not big head friendly. I am an average cap size, and I was able to make this unit work, but I feel like this unit is definitely more so on the small to medium head friendly. And I want to say a lot of my AliPearl units, and maybe you can ask for a larger cap size, I don't know, but a lot of my AliPearl units are more small to medium head friendly, which is good if you have a smaller head. So, I mean, I do feel like most units lean more towards large head friendly than small head friendly, and I feel like, you know, it's good to have different companies for different things, because there's a lot of people that have smaller heads and there's a lot of people that have larger heads, and I feel like across the board it's good to have both. So it's not a big deal to me because I am an average cap size, but I want to throw that out there so you guys would know. Now, as far as tweezing this unit and all the things, I did not do any of that. I did bleach the knots, but I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. How you guys see her is how she woke up. Now, I will go ahead and say, like, it was a struggle kind of putting this wig on my head because it is definitely small hair friendly, okay? So I made it work, but I feel like because of the curlier edges, it still has that more natural appearance. So it just depends on you and what you're looking for and what cap size you are. But I like to throw it all out there and keep it a whole buck with you guys, okay? So you can't come for me later. I keep it a whole buck, so you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you, girl. So yeah, those are the details and specs with this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. The con for me is that, oh girl, didn't really fit me. Okay, it was a struggle, and I ended up having to basically put the unit behind my hairline. Now, normally, my only con is that it's 13x4. Obviously, that is a con for me, and you have to be very, very careful with that because, as you can see, you can end up showing width when it comes to a 13x4, and you don't want none of the teens, girl, okay? So that is gonna be my cons with this unit. Now, despite my cons, I love this wig. I love this wig. Like, honey, after it was super easy to lay down the baby hairs because they already had that curled look. It's easy to lay down baby hairs with the kinky straight, the 4C edges, because it's like they're already curled, so they're easy to swoop, swoop, swoop. I love that for me. Okay, honey? I also love that natural appearance. So that is my #1 pro. My other pros are going to be just like the texture of this wig. I love the texture of this wig. I love the overall look of it. Honey, I have been looking. She's been looking at Chrissy. Okay? I can't even stop looking at Chrissy over here. And you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, if I keep looking over here, that means I'm loving the unit. So the texture of this unit, the hairline, all of those things are pros for me. Yes, I would recommend this wig. I would really recommend it for my girls that have a smaller head, but I love this wig, y'all. Like, I just think it's really, really nice looking. The curl pattern, it's just giving me all the things, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I love this wig. So yes, I would obviously recommend it. Okay, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I feel like you should be able to see it. It's 22 inches, but it's 22 inches curled up, so keep that in mind. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I'm feeling it, because your girl is feeling it. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this all weekend, and honey, Bae got plans. Child, he got plans every weekend, it feels like. Bae got plans, and I'm gonna be wearing old girl all weekend, all right? So yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. Let me know what you guys think. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions down below. Sound off down below in the comments. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, AliPearl, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every styles and we